Are you preparing for the CCNA certification but not sure if you're ready to take it? In this video, we'll show you the easiest way to assess your readiness using CertBoosters practice test and performance reviews. By the end, you'll know exactly what steps to take to pass the CCNA certification exam with confidence. Let's get started. Assessing your readiness isn't just a good idea, it's essential. Taking the CCNA certification exam unprepared can cost you time, money, and confidence. By figuring out if you're truly ready, you'll not only save resources but also take the exam room with the confidence to succeed. The first step is to take a practice test that closely resembles the real CCNA exam. CertBoosters practice test helps you experience the types of questions you'll face, including multiple choice, drag and drop, and scenario-based questions. This is crucial for understanding how well you can apply concepts in real-world scenarios. After completing the practice test, don't stop at your overall score. Dive deeper. Look at which topics you scored well in, which ones need improvement, and even how much time you spent on each question. This will help you focus your study efforts where they're needed most. The next step is to track your progress over multiple mock tests. By taking tests over several weeks, you'll see patterns in your performance. Consistent improvement means you're building the skills you need for the actual CCNA exam. Aim to score at least 80% or higher on multiple mock tests before you sit for the real CCNA certification exam. This consistency ensures you're not just lucky, you're truly prepared across all the key topics. CertBoosters practice exams are designed to help you prepare effectively. With realistic questions, detailed answer explanations, and topic-by-topic performance breakdowns, you'll have everything you need to assess your readiness. Plus, our timed mock tests simulate the actual CCNA exam environment, so there are no surprises when it counts. This process works because it builds familiarity with the CCNA exam, saves you time by focusing your efforts on the right areas, and helps you avoid surprises on test day. It's a proven way to prepare smarter, not harder. Are you ready to assess your CCNA readiness? Start practicing with the CertBoosters CCNA practice test today and take the guesswork out of your preparation. Good luck on your CCNA certification journey. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more CCNA tips, and let us know in the comments, what challenges are you facing in your CCNA exam preparation? We'd love to create a video to help you out. See you next time.